One interesting thing about Central and Eastern Europe is that it managed to go from relatively low level of income per capita to the relatively high income per capita in probably the shortest amount of time recently.
Central and Eastern Europe, there are both the market and the resource base, 20 companies. We have talented, well-educated people, high productive, with a good ratio between the price and productivity. That's always an opportunity to come to this market, to develop it, and to grab these chances for any type of business.
How can global executives bridge China and Central and Eastern Europe to create more value? The school and the EMBA program and the faculty spend a lot of time preparing for it, and the students also have to put in the effort. It is not a tourist trip, it is not a sightseeing expedition, it is an actual course. We touch upon geopolitical issues, trade and logistics. We also look at the green economy and how it is being developed. We also have a unique approach to our global modules. I think our students will be best positioned to take advantage of the new world, regardless of how it develops. That's another way through which we try to bridge China and the world.